Hello, my name is Jamie Himmel. I am the owner of eduDroid. In this short video, I will show you how to set up an IIS server on a Windows machine for a school environment. First of all, visit the iis.net/downloads page and download their web platform installer. This is completely free and offers you lots of different features. You also need to visit eduDroid and the How to Install page. You will find on this page a link to our server files. Select this and start the download going here. Once your IIS installer has downloaded, start that running, as it can take a few minutes to download their latest versions. We recommend using 7-zip to unzip file due to the nature of it being password protected, and 7-zip can deal with this very easily. Again, this is a free option. Once downloaded, save and run it from your computer and install the software. It's very small and will not take up much space. I'm running this installation on a virtual machine. It is a Windows 7 machine, but this same setup can be done on a server. Once you've installed 7-zip, you can right-click on your download for the latest server and extract. It will ask you for the password. This will be in your email that you will have got from us. Type that in and extract it, and we'll come back to this section later. Hopefully by now IIS installer has got the latest options, and it looks like it has. Along the top we have the Spotlight products and applications. We'll start in products, and we have a server tab down the left hand side. You'll need to install IIS recommended configuration, IIS 7.5 or higher, IIS default document, and IIS CGI. Go over to the frameworks tab on the left hand side now and find in there PHP 5.4 or higher. Once that's selected, head over to the database tab and find MySQL Windows 5.1 or higher. Under Tools, there is a great feature called PHP Manager. Add this to the install file and it will make your life a little bit easier when using IIS. That's all you need to select. You can click on all and review your requirements. Make sure they're in there before pressing the install button. You can see there are lots of different features available to you, and if you wish to add any of these, you can by all means add them later on. Press install. It asks you for a password. This password is to set up your MySQL. You're going to need this for your eduDroid installation later on, so please remember what you type in here. Confirm the password and press continue. Now we'll need to install some extra files, so have a quick read of that, make sure you agree with it and press agree. It will take a while to download from the internet all the install files, and actually install. So I suggest you go away and make a cup of tea. I will pause the video here and resume it in a moment. Welcome back. So that's installed fine. Navigate to your file folder where you unzipped our eduDroid folder. Inside the latest server, you'll find an eduDroid folder. Right click that, cut it, navigate to your C drive, int.pub and your www root, and paste that folder in there. Now in that folder there is a dbconfig file. You can open this in Notepad and type in that password that you've just set up into where it says your password. Press save, close that down before continuing. Now we need to open up our IIS. If you click on the start menu, you'll see that it's not actually there. That's very easy to add. We can go into start, properties, and customize our start menu. Scroll down the page and you will find an option to add the administrative toolbars. Now when we click on start, you can see administrative tools is there, and we have information on internet services. Click on this. We will now need to set up the default document page. This is just so that the index PHP, which is what we use, is towards the top of the list before trying to serve up any other pages. Move that to the top and then click back out. Now you can see you installed that PHP manager. If you click on that, it will load up an under configuration file. You can see where it says C programs PHP ini. Now when we update to the latest version of eduDroid, you will have to go onto the website and upload to your server a file which is about 30 megabytes. PHP's default is 8 megabytes, so we need to just up that to at least 50. Now if you search the file for max or post_max, you'll come across post max size, change that to 50 and save that file. Close that down and come out of the PHP manager. Now, we use APKs as the file format for Android, so it will need to serve up an APK. So we need to add that as an MIME type. Click on this and we'll be adding the file extension name of a .apk. Now under that how-to page on our eduDroid website, at the bottom there is a very useful guide on how to do this, and it's also easier to copy the information from it. So we recommend browsing to our website and highlighting the application data. Copy that, go back to your IIS and paste that into the MIME type. This should be the server set up, so we'll just do a quick restart on the server. And we can close that down because we're finished. Go to Internet Explorer. We're going to have to set up some options for the Windows firewall. Due to all the tablets connecting to your device, if you haven't already, you need to set it up. So we're going to open up the Windows firewall and add an option. We're going to add the PHP. So that is actually located under the C drive, Program Files, PHP, select the version, and you'll find PHP-CGI. Tick both boxes to allow public and homework. Scroll to the bottom and you will find World Wide Web Services. Tick both those boxes and press OK. Close that down. Now we're ready to see if what we have done so far has worked. So go to your internet and go to type in localhost/eduDroid. What you should see is the internal mode browser, which is currently a green background with eduDroid saying school server. You have one option, that's the first time install. Password and login for this is admin, and the password is eduDroid with a capital middle D. Press submit to log in and wait for it to whirl around. You should start seeing that your database is successfully installed and which version of eduDroid you have. When you press back twice and then press refresh on your school server, you should now have two options. This says database has already been created. You are ready to go with your tablet installations. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoy learning with eduDroid.